Hi there everyone. Today I'll teach you how to draw the human heart in a very easy method. So let's start by drawing a circle. You can just sketch it with your hands. No need to take any compass or anything like that. Just draw a rough circle. You have to use a pencil to draw the circle because later we have to rub off a few parts of the circle. Now draw a straight line, a vertical line from the edge of the circle like this. Draw another straight vertical line. Don't use a scale to draw the line because we are drawing the human heart and these are the blood vessels, so it should not be too straight. Okay, next you need to draw a horizontal line like this. From this point, you need to draw a short line like this. I'll show you where you have to stop it. If you take a scale and keep it towards the end of the circle, this line should stop here. Okay, see? Okay, next you need to curve this line and touch it here. Curve it. And join it here. As I said, always use a pencil to draw this. Because now we have to erase some parts of the initial circle. Okay. Next, I'm making a little change to the circle. You can draw like this. Only just a little bit. Okay, now we got the shape of the heart. That is the outline. Next, I'm going to draw the artery. Just draw two curved lines like this. Next, I'm going to draw two oval shapes in the vein and artery, and here just a curved line. So the first one is the vein and the second curved one is the artery. Now rub off these two lines. Okay. This one, I'm rubbing it off. And this one too. Next you can rub off this little portion too. Okay. Next you can use a marker to draw the outline of the heart. Next I am going to draw some blood vessels. Again use a pencil and draw like this. I'm just drawing 2 lines like this. Now you need to draw more of them from the main blood vessel. Make sure that all these smaller blood vessels are drawn from the top to the bottom. Do not draw them like straight lines, everything should be curved. Next I am drawing the same thing with a marker. You can also use red sketch pens. Okay, next let's color this heart. Here I am using brush pens, blue, pink and red color. First, we'll color this vein with blue. First I am giving the base colors and then we'll just shade it. Next, pink. This is an artery. The base is colored as pink. Next I am going to color the heart. Make sure you color it in this direction, in this way. The strokes should go like this, so it will give a nice real look. I'm shading it. Next I'm using red to give highlights for the artery. Color through these blood vessels. Now I am just coloring red towards the edges of this heart. Not everywhere. Like this. Next I am using the same blue pastel color to highlight the edges of the vein. So we have completed the drawing of the heart. Hope you liked this drawing, and if you found this useful, please share among your friends and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.